Does face yoga actually work? Or is it just a TikTok trend that gives you more wrinkles? You see the before and afters and think, it's too good to be true. Today, I'm putting my authority on the line to explain the biology of your 57 facial muscles. If you think a cream can lift a saggy muscle, you'll be being lied to.
Welcome to Daniel Lima Method.
The layers of aging. Let's talk about why faces sag. Your face is made of bone, muscle, fat, and skin. As we age, we lose the bone density. Our fat parts shift downward due to gravity. But the biggest factor we can control is the muscle. Facial muscles are thin and attached directly to the skin. When the muscle atrophies and gets flat, the skin has no support. It's like a curtain without a rope. Face yoga creates hypertrophy. It increases the volume of the muscle to fill the skin from within. This is scientific fact, not magic. The evidence. Studies and Botox. In 2018, a study by Northwestern University proved that consistent facial exercises made middle-aged women look 3 years younger in just 20 weeks. Now, let's compare this to Botox. Botox works by paralyzing the muscle. If you don't move your muscle for years, what happens? It wastes away. It gets even thinner. Long-term heavy Botox can actually accelerate the look of sagging because the muscle volume is gone. Face yoga is the rehabilitation your face needs to stay structurally young. Blood flow and collagen. When you exercise your face, you are flooding in cells with oxygen and nutrients. This isn't just about muscles, it's about skin quality. Increased circulation stimulates collagen production naturally. You are literally feeding your skin from the inside out. The science is clear, but the application must be specific. My mentorships are designed to look at your unique facial map and apply these scientific principles where you need them most. So click the link in the description to join me. Are you ready to stop relying on temporary fixes and start building real results? Comment ready below. And remember, if you train your body at the gym, train your face the same way.